We are making a dump cake. Follow instructions quickly. Set oven to 350. Spray 9x13 pan. Heavy. With no stick spray. Two cans of cherry pie filling. Good enough. You'll use 2 boxes, cake mix, same type. Put down 1 topping bag cake mix. Just spread it over evenly. Use your hands, level it out. Then cut up piece of stick of butter. Put it down. Spread it out. Take the second mix. There you go. Dusting another stick's worth of butter on top. Diced up. Put it in the oven for an hour. Let it cool. You can top with nuts if you want. We aren't doing that now.